Hey there lovely people, it's your girl Faten and welcome to other vlogs. On this vlog, we are going to start with a mini hospital tour of my clinical placement area, that is Portray Sub-County Hospital. So yeah, come along, let me show you around, and this place is amazing. During my stay here, I got to learn different places within this region. Seme wengine watatoka Jomvu, Bomu, Migadini, Mariakani, all the way from those far areas, even Kibwezi. Yeah, and others even the other side of Bamburi, Manzi. So I got to know the coastal region well. Or I can recall that I said I was on a vacation during my Kenyan coast vlogs. Okay, that ain't true. I was here for a 4 months rotation, so I was just making good use of my time. So I'd go out on staycations, getaways, and beaching. Yeah, my rotation experience at a sub-county hospital within the coastal region was amazing because I got to interact with different people, different practitioners from outside the country. Like we had whites who were out here for volunteering and internships, and also some Wahindis, and also my Kenyan people were amazing. So I got to explore, learn a lot. And the nicest thing of staying around here is that you get the ocean view each time and the breezes. Yeah, and right here is the KMTC Portrees campus, and as you go further is the Moi International Airport and the Kenyan Falls and the hospital, the Portrees Hospital itself, and the Portrees Sub-County Hospital Mental Unit. From that part, during my region, this is one of the events that we planned, and the turn-up was quite low, so the students didn't show that much turn-up, so we had to cancel the event. But this is what we had done with pinning the posters. I don't know, it's because it was a gospel concert that they didn't want to turn up, amanini, but we tried. That was part of my leadership learning experiences, juu si kila kitu unapanga inakuwa, na zingine zitakuwa poa, zingine zitakuwa poa, so you have to learn. This entertainment role while in campus was my first leadership position, so thank you guys for giving me a chance to try in the leadership sector. Hey, so see you then, see you there. So we started from pinning the posters, so check you on that day, on Saturday. Make sure you're at posted. Today I have a date with my loctician. I need my locks to be done. Maze tuko 11 months hapo 10 months. Hey, manze, I have butterfly locks from my scalp. Oh my god, I'm super excited. I'm locked. Sometimes I'm type of crazy, but it's the excitement for me. Nasikia fiti kuwa ras because I've been ras without locks. Now I'm ras with locks. Okay, fellow rasters, are you feeling what I'm feeling, manze? So I'm getting my dye, my black dye. Yeah, so next time we're gonna do this pink blue dyes. I can't wait. So leo na do self retwist na asali. So yeah, I'm using honey, and so let's get started. Manze zimegrow. Ni waringie, ni wafosia, like nasikia free. Now guys, in this part of the vlog, let me share with you one of the apps that I use, and that is Notion. So Notion is my planner. I use Notion to plan my activities and also to add some lists and bucket. I mean, everything that I want, but I've been quite dormant for quite some time. So right here, I'm taking what I did upgrade then, and also to add some bits back here to tick. So we are graduating, tumeenda zipline, tumeenda clubbing, tumeenda dates, tumefanya gifts. Yeah, manze, shukran you guys, and to the most I am so grateful. End of the vlog, so thank you guys for watching. Remember to subscribe, share, like and comment. Bye bye till the next vlog.